Guys, ito yung kailangan mong alamin sa bagong BIR registration seal badge for online sellers and also social media personality. So as a general rule, persons engaged in business or professions, kailangan nilang i-display ang certificate of registration nila at the place where the business is conducted. So alam na natin yon. And this also includes online merchants where they have to display their electronic COR in a conspicuous place. So this is your website, your e-commerce platform, or your e-marketplace profiles. So to address yung concerns ng mga taxpayers, because when you just take a picture or just scan and upload sa website, maraming sensitive information that are being disclosed. So that's why the BAR rolled out this seal badge na parang QR lang siya in lieu of yung pag-upload ng COR sa website. This serves as proof of registration for business engaged in online selling and e-commerce activities. So this is issued together with the ECOR na parehas silang may QR na. This will be issued manually through your RDO or electronically through the ORUS. And this is free of charge. Tapos ang mga businesses that have existing COR, hindi naman required na kailangan mag-update ng COR. That includes the QR. Although the BAR encourages businesses that are engaged in primarily online selling to do this. Parang update lang naman tapos may babayaran ka ng DST of 30 pesos. Both the ECOR and the seal badge will contain yung QR na readily available na pwedeng i-scan lang to verify the authenticity of the business.